2020 car. The 2026 Mercedes-Benz Maybach Vision VIP Unofficial concept transcends the notion of luxury. It redefines the future of human travel. Its exterior resembles a sculpture of light and silence. A flowing silhouette, chrome-dipped panels, and the signature Maybach grille illuminate softly with integrated diamond micro-LEDs. The bodyline glides seamlessly into retractable rear doors that open like butterfly wings, inviting passengers into a realm where opulence becomes atmosphere. Inside, the dashboard is pure digital poetry. An infinite OLED wave merging AI and elegance. Transparent crystal switches shimmer under soft lighting, and the walnut-veneered fascia seems to breathe with your touch. A personal AI concierge welcomes the driver by voice, adjusting the climate, aroma, and seat temperature automatically. The rear cabin is nothing short of a sanctuary. 2 reclining lounge chairs float in a sea of hand-stitched leather, accompanied by champagne holders, a retractable glass partition, and a celestial LED ceiling that simulates a starlit sky. Noise-canceling acoustic layers ensure total serenity. Underneath, the VIP concept conceals a quad-motor electric system generating 900 horsepower, effortlessly propelling it from 0 to 100 km/h in 2.8 seconds. Despite this power, it whispers across roads with electric grace. Facing rivals like the Rolls-Royce Spectre, Bentley Mulsanne E, and Lucid Air Sapphire, the Maybach stands unchallenged in sophistication. Estimated price? $480,000. It is not merely an automobile, it is a throne on wheels, sculpted for the world's visionaries.